Hey everyone, I'm Josh, Marketing Project Manager at Robroy. I'm here to guide you through the brand new Stahlin.com. If you've ever visited this site in the past, it may look a little different now, but don't worry. It's now easier than ever for you to request enclosure modifications, discover new products, and search through our extensive enclosure offering on Stahlin's website. In this short video series, you're going to become an expert on how to navigate Stahlin.com. So let's jump right in. Here we are on the homepage of the new Stahlin.com. Now, the biggest update to this website is the functionality of the online catalog. To search for products, you can go to the Products tab here at the top, then click All Products. This will take you to our online catalog, which houses all market-facing part numbers and aligns with our price list. The product search has been upgraded with incredibly intuitive filtering logic, which categorizes our product offerings in a variety of ways. We've also established a filtering priority based on what our customers use most often. For example, HPL configuration enclosures will appear at the top of the list after a search, followed by our most popular families: Diamond Shield, J-Series, then Polystar, and so on. Now, if you know the part number or the type of part you're looking for, you can type it into the Product Info search bar at the top. Or, if you know a competitor's part number and are looking for a Stahlin equivalent, you can type the competitor product number into the box titled Competitor Product Number, like this. And as you can see, the Stahlin equivalents have appeared in the search results. Next up is the ability to search by dimension, which has been upgraded as well to include adjustments for tolerance. You can search for enclosure dimensions in inches or millimeters, and it's built with an existing tolerance of 1. So your search will return a slightly larger range of enclosures to give you some more options. That tolerance can be adjusted here based on the needs of your installation. Below this are the other filters that you can use to help narrow down the enclosure selection you're looking for. You can filter our product offering by category, such as enclosure or panel, material, such as fiberglass or polycarbonate, color, such as our standard gray or our black polycarbonate line, by configuration, such as the HW screw-down configuration or enclosures with a padlock latch, cover type, such as opaque or clear, mounting type, such as wall mount or freestanding, IEC rating, such as IP66 or IP68, the inside width, height, or depth, and by NEMA rating, such as 3R or 4X. These are extremely powerful ways to filter through our offering and guide you to exactly the enclosure you're looking for your application. Now, when you click on any of these search results, you'll be brought to that product's product page. The first things you'll see here are the description, the list price, the product photos, and the ability to download CAD drawings and request modifications through our ModWrite program. This is another big change from the previous site. Drawings and modification requests have been moved up closer to the top of the page for increased visibility. From here, you can download 2D drawings with a single click. And if you choose to download a 3D drawing, you'll be prompted to fill out this form. If you'd like to request a modification to this specific enclosure, just hit Modify an Enclosure. You'll see this order form with the SKU already filled in. So all you have to do is choose the quantity, and then select the type of modifications and any accessories that you might want. We've even given you the option to upload your own drawings or specs that can give our solutions team a better idea of what you're looking for, as well as the ability to leave comments. We accept a wide range of file types, such as JPEGs, PNGs, DWGs, DXFs, PowerPoint files, and more, with a 3 megabyte file limit. Then you can fill out your contact info and submit the request. This automatically creates a case in our system, notifying someone from our solutions team to reach out to you about the next steps of your request. The rest of the product page is a one-stop shop for all the important information pertaining to this product. We've got description, application, general information, dimensions, any standards that the enclosure adheres to, and all the technical information. It's all easily accessible right here. And if you want to combine all of this product information into one single cut sheet, just scroll to the top and hit Print PDF. And as you can see, all the information from the product page has been compiled here on this PDF. One final upgrade from the previous site, located on the product page, is the recommended products section here at the bottom. Here you can see a list of products that complement the chosen part number, such as panels and mounting kits. This helps take the guesswork out of finding accessories and other products of the same size or material type. Well, that wraps up our first tutorial of the new Stahlin.com. I hope you'll stick around for the next video in the series, where I'll be looking at our quick submittal builder and the benefits of logging in with our My Account capability. See you then!